Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation and the topic is financial accounting. Meaning of accounting. It is an art of recording and classifying the business transactions and events which includes receipt and payment of cash, purchase and sale of goods on credit. The transaction must be in monetary terms. Art of making summaries, analysis and interpretation of business transaction, communication to external and internal stakeholders for decision making. Accounting as science and art. As science, an accountant finalizes the economic results by identifying, analyzing, classifying using the method of double entry bookkeeping accounting system. So accounting is a science that includes comprises of rules, principles, concept, convention and standard in science. As art, it presents the financial finding by following and implementing an universal accepted method. The established rules and principles of accounting is applied in bookkeeping process of an economic entity. Uses of financial accounting. Ascertaining the operation profit or loss, ascertaining the financial position of the business, keeping systematic record, protecting and controlling business properties, facilitating rational decision making, planning and control operations, compliance with the legal requirements, making information available to various groups and users at a particular time, evidence in court in case of dispute, substitute of memory, settlement of taxation liability, comparative study, sale of business, the amount, size and causes of increase or decrease of capital. Nature of accounts. Personal account, real account, nominal account. The element or accounts which represent persons and organization is personal account. Real account. The elements or account which represent tangible or intangible aspects or helps the organization to earn profit. Nominal account. The element or accounts which represent expenses, losses, income and gains. Advantages of accounting. Complete and systematic record. Accounting is based on generally accepted principles and a scientific way of presentation of business transaction in books of account. Determination of selling price. The main function of management is decision making. Accounting helps and guides the management to take decision in respect of determining selling price, deduction of cost, increase in sales, etc. Valuation of business. In case of sale of business or conversion of one business into another, true and fair value of business is calculated. Helps in raising loan. For future expansion, business must have sufficient fund. In those cases, further fund can be raised by taking loan for some financial institutions like bank, IDBI, ICICI, etc. Evidence in court or law. The business transaction recorded in book of accounts supported by authenticated documents through vouchers, etc. Thus, the account can be used as an evidence in the court of law. In compliance of law, every business has to deal with various government departments like income tax, sales tax, custom and excise, etc. Various periodic returns are to be filled with these departments. Accounting helps in preparation and filling of such returns. Limitations of financial accounting. Records only monetary transaction. Effects of price level accounting is not considered. No realistic information due to concept and convention followed. Personal bias of accountant affects the accounting statement. Permits alternative treatment. Lack of uniformity in accounting principle. Historical in nature. Records only the past transaction and no guidance of future. Does not record the effect of various government regulations. Objectives of financial accounting. To know the results of business through profit and loss account or income and expenditure account. To ascertain the financial position of the business, the extent of asset and liability at any point of time through preparation of balance sheet. To ensure control over the asset, importance in prevention at fraud, misappropriation and losses. To facilitate proper management of cash, surplus fund can be used in profitable ventures and deficiency of cash can be overcome by preparing for funds from bankers, etc. To provide requisite information to the government and tax authorities with great ease as and when needed. Thank you.